I recently allocated 4% of my portfolio into cloud stocks. COVID-19 has forced economy to work from anywhere, which has led to a steep rise in some of these cloud stocks. I think the trend will become mainstream as more and more companies realize embracing cloud just makes business sense. Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome to Think Finance. My name is Raj, and on this channel, I talk about personal finance, investment ideas, money management tips, and all things finance. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. In this video, I want to talk about why I think cloud stocks will continue to shine, share stock names I'm betting on, and also talk about other ways to invest in these. The outlook for cloud computing companies continues to get better. As more people work from home during the pandemic, demand for cloud services is surging. Accessing software, services, and data remotely is now a must-have business need. It should come as no surprise that a number of ETFs that focus on business of cloud have popped almost 25 to 30% year to date and are hitting an all-time high. I'm jumping on the bandwagon, not with ETFs, but with actual stocks. I may just invest in ETFs to make things simple, but for now, I'm handpicking my stocks. The reason being, a lot of these cloud names are relatively new. Some went IPO in 2018, 2019. Chances are some of these stocks may not be around 10 years from now, but given what they do, some might pop big and become leaders in their space and may lead to crazy gains for investors. If you want to play it safe, ETFs is the best way to go, and I'll recommend some ETFs you should consider later in the video. All right, let's start with stocks I'm invested in. I won't talk about heavy hitters like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Adobe. I would say these guys are more than just cloud. Having said that, I'm invested in these as part of my overall portfolio. By the way, if you want to track my long-term portfolio on M1 Finance, link will be in the description. Also, there is an affiliated link if you want to open a new M1 Finance account. I believe you and I make some money when you open a new account. Okay, back to cloud stocks. I broke these into 4 broad categories. Let's start with stocks that focus on IT services or a platform. ServiceNow is a leader in IT service management applications. Most companies out there are using ServiceNow as their ITSM solution. Almost 4 out of 5 Fortune 500 companies are customers, and the company has more than 6,200 clients overall, including over 900 that deliver at least $1 million apiece in annual revenue to ServiceNow. The stock has exploded in the recent years. Salesforce.com, gold standard when it comes to customer relationship management solution, also offers other enterprise applications focused on customer service, marketing automation, analytics, and application development. Been around for years and can be tagged as a visionary when it comes to software as a service. The Trade Desk helps marketers and ad agencies buy ads in all digital channels, including audio, mobile, web, video, and in-app. Digital ad spending is expected to accelerate, which will only benefit the stock. Next is Atlassian with ticker symbol TEAM. The company offers project management, collaboration, and other IT applications. If you worked in IT, you've probably used Jira and Confluence, 2 major offerings from the company. It's a growth machine. Kappa Software offers a platform for business spending management software. The company was named a leader in cloud-based travel and expense management solution by IDC Research, another company with astonishing growth rate. Viva Systems is next. The company provides cloud-based software services for global life science and pharmaceutical industries. Company customers include big pharma names including Eli Lilly, Gilead, and Merck. The stock is up 420% since IPO in 2013. Next is Shopify. Offers an e-commerce platform and provides sellers with all tools they need to become digital sellers. Most e-commerce websites out there run on Shopify platform. It integrates web development, payment processing, as well as shipping. The stock has been on a tear. DocuSign, the company that captures your signatures electronically and makes agreements real. In the recent years, more and more companies are adopting e-signatures, and the stock has doubled in the last year. In a work-from-anywhere economy, DocuSign will play a major role. Now let's talk cybersecurity. According to FBI, cyber attacks have quadrupled during the pandemic. A survey by a technology research firm, HFC Research, in April found out that 70% of organizations surveyed were looking to increase their cybersecurity spending this year. This is where companies like Palo Alto Networks, Zscaler, and CrowdStrike come into play. Palo Alto is a more matured name, while Zscaler and CrowdStrike being the new kids on the block. All three companies have managed to make an impression in the enterprise security space. Final name in this category is Okta. The company offers identity and access management solution, a domain that makes a big part of enterprise security. The identity and access management market will grow to an estimated $24 billion by 2025, and Okta is leading the way. As they say, data is everything. The next category includes companies focused on data aggregation and analysis. First on the list is Splunk, a big growth company with a promising future in big data capture and analysis. The more raw data there is, the more opportunity Splunk has to provide insights into that data. Next up is Qualys. The company is a leading provider of cloud-based security and compliance solutions with more than 12,000 global customers, including 70% of the Forbes Global 50, has presence in more than 130 countries. To close this category, I have two more names: data analytics company Alteryx and Dynatrace. Alteryx helps data analysts and scientists gather and clean up digital information and help with business decision making. Basically, gather insights from data. While Dynatrace offers products helping businesses evaluate the performance of their own software, making software better. Dynatrace has over 2,300 clients spread across more than 70 countries. These two companies are relatively new with a huge potential to take off. Final category, communications and collaboration. In a stay-at-home economy, companies in this space have taken off. Let's start with Twilio, a leading provider of in-app communication solution. Think Airbnb and restaurant delivery. Communications happening via those apps is managed using Twilio platform. The company recently reported earnings and stock took off 40%. This is another growth machine. The next two does not require much of an introduction: Zoom Video and RingCentral. Both companies offer video conferencing and collaboration solutions. Another area that has hugely benefited from stay-at-home economy. So there you go. This is where I'm putting my money. Let me know if there are other companies I should be looking at. Of course, the easiest way to invest in these are via ETFs. I have three for you to consider: Sky, Cloud, and WCLD. Sky has more traditional companies, while the other two focus more on younger companies. Personally, I would spread my money across Sky and WCLD. That's all I have, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If this was helpful, hit that like button. And if money gets you going, consider subscribing. Until next time, peace.